other people who are in the conference. I also like to recognize the presence of the National AIDS Conference. At this moment, allow me to bring the second presenter, Zero Health Awards. And remember, he's the one who's going to take us through the program.
Before you, I'm humbled to be part of this team, to be standing before you to present something that we've worked been to as far as Isiolo, Kwale, Kilifi.
We'll have a Q&A following Kiptirim's presentation. But we are here today, and it's good that we have this one meeting where we are seeing each other so that there is better discussion. Today, as Jane said, it's to get a
skill that I have today, KMTC. I was from there one day. Yes, thank you very much, Dr. B. So, thing about is, let's go to the next slide, is I'll be very precise. I have only 3 sections, and I'll really appreciate if you believe and appreciate that we will walk that channel. Stand on your feet. Stand on your feet. We have, yes, I would request all of us, quality and then awards. So quality is defined by many people depending on areas in health to promote quality health services in the health system. See, what does WHO tell us? Because that should be the beginning point. At a strategic level.
The 2021 summit focuses on primary health care because it is the cornerstone of UHC, and it's the first point where patients come into contact with the health system. The achievement of UHC is dependent, amongst other things, on a skilled health workforce, and particularly nursing workforce, to ensure that patients access preventative, diagnostic, and curative services. So this year's summit is designed to award nurses across all the 47 counties, and it builds on an intervention that we started together with the Kenya Medical Training College, and Dr. B is here, who's in charge of that program, where together with World Bank and Roche, we've established a scholarship fund that we support nurses or children who come from very, very needy backgrounds. So it is a build-up, a continuation of this collaboration. So the focus of 2021 Summit is to provide a platform for leaders to reflect on primary health care as an approach to achieving universal healthcare coverage. And it's an opportune time because I'm aware that the Ministry of Health launched their UHC, how they are going to deliver on UHC, what they are thinking about. So it is an opportune time to just get everyone going around UHC. The specific objectives: to review the latest evidence on primary healthcare investment and effective interventions for attaining the agenda, UHC agenda, and SDG 3. To engage national and county leadership in prioritizing primary healthcare interventions to enhance EMTCT, maternal and child health deliverables.
Through Beyond Zero, one of the interventions that has been of concern is how the primary health care is delivered. The question of access and question of quality is very key. There are those who are in the front line who continue to selflessly offer services at the community level. And as you are aware, this year, 2021, the Beyond Zero Summit will be recognizing and appreciating the efforts of nurses. Not to say that other health workers have not been at the front line, but it's just in appreciation of the kind of critical work, and we'll see how they have offered their services to the families and communities. On 20th of May, when we had a hybrid meeting, some of you were in different clusters, we received a lot of feedback on the selection, the categories of awards. So we've spent the last month, listening and analyzing that feedback so that we can refine the selection process, so that the categories of awards can respond to your feedback. Today, we hope that we'll be presenting to you a selection process, categories of awards, the various checklists that respond and integrate your comments. We hope that by the end of today, we will have a common understanding so that you will be our ambassadors at your counties and community levels to ensure that there is a vibrant and robust engagement of the nursing community to be able to ensure that an effective participatory process is experienced towards the summit which will be held later on in the year.